on oneself. Like Ma'am Lillian here, I was having difficulty, let's say, playing basketball. One game of basketball, I would easily have shortness of breath. Yung paakyat sa MRT na hagdanan dyan, sobrang hirap na hirap ako dyan. And I smelled bad breath. And 2 years ago, it was exactly July 22nd, 2011, a friend approached me and introduced me to electronic cigarettes. My thought back then was, I've got nothing to lose. I've tried nicotine patches, I've tried nicotine gums, and sadly those things was not working for me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try electronic cigarettes. And it worked for me. I'm sure if you got family, friends who are currently smokers, you could introduce them to electronic cigarettes, and I'm guessing there's a good part that would be effective for them as well. Right now, as of today, I'm 586 days cigarette free. Never touched cigarette, never lit up a cigarette since July 11, 2000, or July 22nd, 2011. I wish that all the information that was shared today by the juice makers, by everyone, I wish you could pass that to your friends and eventually help us to become a smoke-free country. There. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Erwin Antiporda. Antiporda. Mayor na Alicia Pangasinan. Mayor Garcias. Palakpakan natin si Mayor. Ang tawag ko sa kanya, Mayor na kasi Vice Mayor siya ngayon. Promoted today because of media. Ayos ba media diyan? Ipapromote natin, di ba? Mayor na, no? Huwag na lang daw congressman, mahirap pakalaban.
So, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Before I start speaking, I would like to thank first, syempre, yung mga organizers natin, ang Newslink Asia. Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman natin ang Newslink Asia, of course. And of course, our group, Pinoy Vapers Forum. And of course, ang ating major sponsor, palakpakan natin si Sir Dennis. Happy birthday, sir! Started vaping way back 2010, June. Ang juice ko palang kilala nun is yung Decan, Holy Smokes, and E-Shots. Yun yung tatlong makers, hindi pa vapor siguro sila Delbert nun ng Custom Mix, and yung other e-juice makers natin ngayon. And of course, we were just a small group back then, mga 200. But before that, nagsimula akong mag-smoke 1995 when I was in second year high school. So medyo matagal na. You could just imagine kung gaano katagal na ako naninigarilyo. Average pack, 2 packs a day pag regular days. Pag campaign period, maabot kami ng 3 to 4 packs. So medyo malakas talaga akong manigarilyo before. Ano yung mga naging sakit ko? Madali akong hingalin, number 1. Number 2, yung gout attacks. I started having gout attacks in the first year of college. So you could only imagine talagang marami talagang makukuha ang sakit. I don't know if it's related to smoking, but when I started vaping noong 2010, na-minimize yung mga gout attacks ko. Hanggang sa ngayon, siguro mga 6 months na ako hindi na-atake. So marami siyang magandang effect sa katawan. But there is no scientific claims. O, ika nga sa mga vitamins na iniinom natin, no therapeutic claims. Mararamdaman mo sa sarili mo kung ano ang epekto ng vaping. Siyempre, ang ano talaga, as of the moment, it's an alternative. Kasi siyempre, like what we've said, kahit sa US, wala naman nag-claim na talagang gamot siya. And meron pa rin naman siyang nicotine sa ibang mga juices. But you could choose na wala ng nicotine yung juice kasi hindi nasabi ng ating mga makers yun. You could opt for a zero nic juice. So ibig sabihin nun, yung binivape mo, talagang food grade na. Or USB grade as they said. Yun nga, I'm masyadong talaga, very rin ako passionate when it comes to vaping. I'll just sit down na. Kasi marami siyang natulong sa akin eh. Number one, pag nasa office ako, hindi na amoy sigarilyo yung opisina ko, di ba? Mabawasan yung pagbili mo ng air freshener, bumango pa hininga mo. Kasi pag humipak ka, I'm using terms ng mga vapors. Pag humipak ka ng chiclet, ng Holy Smokes, talagang mabango siya. Mga juices ni Delbert like Butterfinger, masarap sa hininga, mabango. Medyo hinihingal ako ngayon kasi once you start vaping, you become responsible din naman. Sinasabi nga ng mga ibang companies, smoke anywhere. Pero syempre, as vapers, we should also be responsible. Diba? Pag nakikita mo kumakain tayo sa restaurant, kahit sa Emerald Garden, kung makikita mo na walang vapers, na yung mga tao nakaupo at kumakain, huwag naman kayong magsimula ng uso. Vaping. It's responsible vaping. We want responsible vapers na kung saan, kasi nga tumigil na tayo maligarilyo eh. Diba? We want as responsible as us. What does that mean? Ang ibig sabihin nito, kung tayo natigil natin, tulungan din natin silang tumigil. In a good way. Hindi dahil maganda siyang tignan o malakas ang usok niya. But it's, of course, the health purposes involved in vaping. We do away with the cancer sticks, kumbaga. But part of that is to inform yung mga tao na there is still very minimal. Let's not be hypocrites. May minimal effects pa rin sa katawan ng vaping. We just don't know what. Diba? We just don't know kung ano yung gusto, yung nangyayari sa katawan natin when it comes to vaping. Kasi wala pa siyang scientific scientific knowledge about vaping. But of course, we feel na gumaganda ang pakiramdam natin, gumaganda ang pananaw natin sa buhay. And of course, before kasi, kwento ko rin sa inyo, marami din kasi, nung nagkaroon kami ng Vice Mayor's League, ang naging problem ko, wala akong follow-up. Kasi I'm very busy also. Kaya I'm very thankful na kahit saan ka pumunta ngayon, may mga vape shops na. Ang kulang lang natin is to consolidate, diba? Kumbaga magkausap-usap na maayos even sa vaping. I assure you of that. Kasi pag nakita ka ng vapor, kahit nasa mall ka lang, uy, vapor, lalapitan ka, kakausapin ka. So, ang pinaka-importante dyan is i-explain mong mabuti. At saka pag may nakakasalubong din naman ako na medyo malakas talaga magpausap, kinakausap ko. Kakausapin natin sila na maayos. And of course, titignan din natin. Alam niyo, ang pinakamagandang part ng vaping is pag tinabihan mo yung naninigarilyo. Tabihan niyo yung naninigarilyo tapos kayo nag-vape. Magtataka sila eh. Mas malakas yung vapor production natin kaysa sa regular cigarette. Kahit mahina yung ginagawa mo, marami pa rin yung maiinganyo. And that's what I would like to happen dito sa community natin. Although it's a small community as of now, siguro we are around 3,000. But from where I sit down noong 2010, mga 200 pa lang tayo noon, no? Edward? 200, mga ganun. 200 lang kami noon. Sobrang liit ng grupo. Pero masaya lahat. And may control. And that's what I would like to ask din sa mga groups na nandito ngayon. There is Manila Vapor. That's why wala akong group na nilagay. But originally, ang kasama ko palagi is QC Vapors. I was the one who converted Progen. Siguro kilala din si Progenitus. ako yung nag-convert sa kanya into vaping. So yun yung mga ano namin. Kasi we were good friends ever since pa. Matagal na kami magkaibigan. Kaya ganun. Susubok-subok ng mga moods. So, masaya kami. At hanggang ngayon naman, masaya tayo, di ba? Yun nga lang, we are starting na mapansin na talaga. Especially with the high price of the cigarette. Talagang mapapansin na ang vaping. With that, I just hope na we become a more solid unit. Diba? We become a more solid community. Now we promote vaping as a real alternative na napakaganda nitong aid sa ating gobyerno para mapatigil ang mga naninigarilyo sa ating bansa. Kasi I've been to Hong Kong, pumunta rin ako sa US. Punta ngayon, lumakad ka lang sa mall, nakatago ang isig mo, may makikita ka na na vapor. You just don't see that doon sa mga ibang bansa talaga na pinagsimulan ng vaping. I've been to Florida. Kung gusto mo makipag-vape meet, pumunta ka sa vape meet nila. Around 100 lang sila nung pumunta ako. So sabi ko, napakalaki ng vaping community talaga ng Pilipinas. And napakagaling ng Pilipino. Shout out sa mga Filipino modders natin na talagang magagaling silang gumawa ng mods. Masarap ang ating mga juices. So, with that, the Filipino ingenuity nandoon pa rin. Although hindi sa atin nagsimula, pero dito talagang nag-prosper ang vaping. And with the help of the media, sana matulungan nyo din kami na i-promote. Kasi although DOH is really doing something na matigil ang sigarilyo, but at the same time, they are putting something na hindi maganda about vaping. We cannot disclaim what they said. What we can only do is have a testimonial on how vapors really feel. Diba? I started vaping, sinabi ko nga kanina, 2010. Right now, it's already 2013. I taste food better. Nakita nyo naman sa katawan ko, diba? Medyo masarap ang pagkain ngayon. Lalo pag nag-vape ka. Kasi malalasahan mo pati yung sense of feel ng mga pagkain. Very stressed. Siguro, 4 na sticks ng sigarilyo, sunod-sunod yan. So paglabas ko sa opisina ko at may kakausapin ako, medyo lumalayo na yung tao kasi iba na yung amoy mo May usok ka na But right now, hindi na ganon. Kahit mag-vape ka sa harap nila, hindi mo lang ipapuff sa mukha nila, sa baba mo na lang ano yung usok mo. Para lang, out of respect sa ating mga kasamahan na hindi pa naman vapers. Please, yung ano natin, vapor, wag nang pataas pa baba. Para lang respeto sa kanila, di ba? Yun lang naman ang hiling namin ng mga ika nga nila oldies dito sa vaping community namin. Nating lahat. So with that, I end my testimonial. Thank you very much ulit, Sir Dennis, for having this occasion. Kasi I'm very passionate about vaping, so thank you very much, Sir Dennis, for inviting me. And sa inyo lahat, thank you for coming. Thank you for the support na binigay natin sa vaping dito sa Pilipinas. With that, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.
Makita niyo yung pang units.
ABS-CBN and the other Channel 5. At tabayan lang po lang natin sandali ha. Relax lang, relax. On the way na, nandito rin ang remate. Diyan ang ABS-CBN para makover ka naman.
Channel 5.
Channel 5.
Hindi naman ganda. May 18 sa likod. Wala kaming Jess.
Lagay. Sila Alan, may gusto ko ilagay na mod. Ito, lagay mo na dito ba?
Uy, Lobas, Tulo. Under Sir Taker Philippines. Pero kung na kayo dyan. Kumida.
So let's start for the testimony. Yung mga gulay, yung mga karne, yung mga pinapasok natin sa ating mga katawan, yung mga nutrients, food tastes better, ika naman. So, yeah. And the barbell. Ayun, nilagay yung barbell ni Sharon. So, nakikita natin it's really becoming very popular in the Philippines.
Locally, we have single advocate na siguro is to convert smokers into vapors.
So, very ironic lang na ito rin naging ano ko ngayon, ito naging lifestyle ko ngayon, I switch to vaping. Marami rin ako mga kaibigan na na-influence to quit smoking and start vaping. Anyway, PVF, we are into alternatives to just to talaga, parang reality lang na mahilig tayo to look for other alternatives na okay, hindi tayo, kumbaga vaping talaga, hindi siya, wala pa talagang medically proven, or scientifically proven na it works. Pero, it does eh. Kumbaga, it's just, if you think of it, parang, ano lang siya, lesser of two evils. Ang Yossi, proven. Sila mismo, kasama sa pakete, it causes sickness, it kills. So, lesser of two evils. Kami naman, on our part, as Holy Smokes, syempre, kami rin, concerned din kami na, kumbaga, we make the juices for the Filipinos. So, syempre, gusto rin namin na quality ang ibibigay namin. We will not inflict harm or any to our fellow countrymen. Kumbaga, nakikita natin na talagang vastly growing ang community natin. So, on our part, as juice manufacturers, we are also trying to improve our facilities and our technologies in creating Pinoy-made juices.
Francis!
Birthday boy! Dito sa mesa.
Picture taking. Sandali, nandito pa si Francis at si Dennis. Sandali, nandito pa si Smile, though your heart is breaking. Sige na. Ayos ba?
Isang malog lang. Okay.
Smile. Say cheese.
Papers, pa-vape kayo. Usok, usok.
Ayos.
Usok, usok.
Pausok, pausok ka.
Isang thumbs
Oh,
up.
bango. Sarap ka amoy ah.
Thumbs up.
Ang bango, iba-ibang klaseng amoy.
Ano yung logo?
Amoy chicks.
Ano yung logo? Yung logo.
Amoy sumaw.
Paano ba yung logo?
Amoy mamanlok.
Oh, sama ba?
Alright. Ayos.
Thank you. Ayos.
Lalabas sa panorama bukas yan. Sa pangalawa, sa tiktik.
Carnival Bell.
We are totally support for the Department of Health against the smoker, anti-smoker. We want to introduce this electronic cigarette as a tool, as a to their cessation program. So totally with the Thank you.